Yeah, this is a early morning Saturday, just to show you how good my secret stuff works. Sprinkled a little bit in the water. Let me get this little baby off here. Right, shake it. Michael? I'll quit splashing here. Give me just a second. I missed it. Good boy. There you go.
Got a monster on the line.
Let me see if I can make him go crazy. This is another baby. Look at that.
They're all popping there, aren't
Look
they?
at them. Popping like that. Look at them. They're everywhere. Everywhere. That's some good
Got a monster
stuff
on the
right
line
there.
here.
Try to leave the camera on this time, get you catching one.
Catch one every cast, I bet you.
Every
One
cast
right
we're catching
right
one.
here.
From that secret I put in the water there, Michael.
That's working. Watch,
Yeah.
here we go. Here we go. Oh, there he is.
Got him.
Got another one. He's not very big.
That's a small one.
Just a little fella.
There's a bunch of them little ones in here.
That's 2 for 2. See if we can go 3 for 3 here in just a second.
Let me get my jig pole. I'm just going to throw it, a crappie pole out here in the water. We were doing a little crappie
Get
fishing.
this one in good.
Look at them out there jumping. Look at them out there jumping. Look at them. They are absolutely everywhere this morning.
Alright, here goes 3 for 3.
Michael, see if you throw over that rock. Can you throw over top of that?
We'll see. If I don't get hung up. Oh, there he is.
Got him. Yeah. Little one though, ain't he?
Little one.
I think you catching more of the bigger ones over there. I had a pretty good one there on the old jig pole. There you go. Yeah, there, I catch one. Holding the camera here.
Oh.
Miss him? They're chasing it. See him in the water. Get this fish off here, Mike. Just a little baby. Alright, Michael, you got a little bigger one this time.
We got a little bigger one on now.
Starting to run.
Not bad.
Starting to run into some bigger ones. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one there. That's what we're looking for. Oh, yeah, that's a real nice.
Not bad.
For another day, though. I catch one just letting my jig pole sit in the water. The little one, them little ones are up top. Here goes Mike right here.
They're hitting it. And he's on.
Get him? Oh, yeah.
Little baby.
Try to turn us around. Trying to hold a jig pole, run a trolling motor, fish, all at the same time.